You ever wonder how clean water from a drinking fountain actually is? And what about those water bottle filling stations? I mean, just how pure is that water really? Let's test them using TDS, expressed in parts per million, and EC in microsiemens per centimeter. And while we're at it, let's measure deionized water along with purified Aquafina, and just for fun, let's try this Propel as well. Now, the industry standard of TDS is 500 parts per million and 800 microsiemens per centimeter for your EC. Alright, so what we got here, we got 5 beakers. The first beaker here is the water from the water bottle filling station. The second one is the drinking fountain water. The third is deionized water. The fourth is the Aquafina. And finally, the fifth is the Propel, just for fun. All right, let's try the water bottle filling station. We'll see how pure this is. And we got 234 parts per million, which is well below the industry standard. 244 parts per million. So these are actually relatively the same as far as purity. Both the water bottle filling station water and the regular drinking fountain water. And that's probably because it's just coming from the same source and neither of these is filtered more than the other. Let's try the deionized water, see what that will read. And 0. That makes sense. It's completely deionized. Okay, Aquafina. Let's see what you read. This is reading 4 parts per million. Quite pure. And finally, Propel. Now, this clearly is just for fun. Obviously, Propel is going to have all kinds of electrolytes and substitute sugars and so on. So we're at 1,154 parts per million. That's obviously because of all the substitute sugars, the electrolytes, and so on. So there you have it. The purest of the pure is this deionized water. After that, the Aquafina, and the regular drinking fountain water and the water bottle filling station are still well below the industry standard of 500. Now, let's switch to EC and try this again. Electrical conductivity, we'll try it again. Water bottle filling station, 482 microsiemens per centimeter. Regular drinking fountain water, and this is reading at 478. So again, these two are relatively the same as far as purity. Electrical conductivity as well as TDS. Let's check out the deionized water. Deionized water is reading 0 microsiemens per centimeter, and that makes complete sense. Aquafina, reading at 8. Quite pure. Not a lot of electrolytes in there. And finally, the last one, let's see just for fun what the Propel reads. And this makes complete sense. We are reading at 2,100, 2,188. Now that's quite a high number. Why is that? Well, because Propel, as advertised, is filled with electrolytes. Propel, as you know, is filled with vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, and so on. Plenty of electrolytes, which is exactly what they advertise. Okay, so in conclusion, the DI water is the purest. The Aquafina is the next purest. And between the regular drinking fountain water and the bottled water, these two are relatively the same. All right, thank you guys very much, and we'll see you in the next one.